How to install NumPy on your machine. Suppose you have already your Python installed on your machine. It can be Python 3 or Python 2. It can be Python 2.7 or something. It can be Python 3.8 or something, anything. So you have got this idle. Okay, click that idle. So the interpreter comes and you go to file, go to click open. There you can see the path name. In my case, it is the username, my name, then app data, then local, then programs, then Python 38. That means since I have installed Python 3.8.3, you can see here. So Python 38 directory is created under Python, under programs, under local, under app data, under my name, and then there will be C:, users, etc., etc. Okay, so you can actually copy this path name. You may copy this path name, copy, or you can remember the path name. Okay, so you click it out, minimize it. Now type here at the start CMD. What is CMD? Command prompt. Click and this black window will come. See, it's already C:, users Abhijit Kargupta, right? So you can actually paste it and or you can type it. So until this name was there, so you remove all those things. Okay, so here, so you have to write CD. That means you are already here. C:, then users, then Abhijit Kaur Gupta, this username, and here is the command line. Then you write CD. CD means change directory. You go now to directory app data, and then under that local, then under that programs, then under that Python, under that Python 38. Okay. Now come here and you enter. Okay, done. So you have come to Python 38 directory. You could type it cd app data, enter, then cd local, enter, then cd programs, etc., etc. You see here dir, this command, these are all DOS commands, right? dir is it will show you all the things inside this Python 38 directory. See, the names dir means these are the directories, and the other names are the file names. See, I have a file euler.dat, so it's I have created some file.txt text file, some gauss.py, that means some Python script or Python code I have created, etc., etc. Then other files. You don't have to think of all those things. See here, there is a directory scripts, scripts, scripts. So you go there actually. Then again cd scripts. You could write in one line also. In entire thing you could write cd, then app data slash local slash program slash python 38 slash scripts. You could go that way also. So okay, you go to cd scripts. That means you go to under the cd, you go to the scripts directory under Python 38. So here you are. Now you type this mantra pip install then numpy. And if your machine is in internet, and then you enter. If your machine is in internet, it will take only 1 or 2 minutes. You install, it will write something, and it will automatically, without any problem, it will actually install NumPy on your Python, basic Python. Okay. If you want to install SciPy and then Matplotlib, etc., you could write the same way by pip install SciPy or pip install matplotlib, etc. If you install the entire three packages that you will need, you could write them in one line. Pip install numpy, then space scipy, then space matplotlib, and then you could enter. But I won't enter because it is already installed on my machine. Okay, if you enter this, it will automatically go on installing 3 packages altogether. Okay, you could do that. You can do that. Okay, so that is done. Once it is done, once for all, once in a life, then done. Click it out. Go here. Go to the interpreter, and you type here, say import numpy. You can give some short name as np, say, as we give. So you check Python, I mean numpy is already installed. Otherwise, it will actually show you some error. It will object. Okay, since it has not objected, that means it is already installed here. Okay, that's it. You can see by directory dir np. This time the directory is a function. Earlier when we typed in the black window, then the dir was a command and it was a DOS command, and here it is a Python name. It is a directory is the built-in function. So in this built-in function, as argument you give numpy np. That means what is there in numpy, it will show you the entire directory. Okay, so it will show you the directory. Then what you will do, you want to see anything inside all those very many different functions and different modules, submodules are there. Suppose you want to see what is this sum, then you type help. Inside that you write np.sum. That means sum is something which is under np. Okay, then you enter, it will show you the help. That means it shows you help on function sum in module numpy, and then it will show you sum. Inside that you have to write whose sum you want, some list or some array or something, and then all other keyword arguments. That's it. This is how you do.